Hi, it's James here from the Sprinkle Donut Forge in Moscow, Texas, and I received a package in the mail today. This long box. This is from William Barnhart Blacksmith, WB Blacksmithing, and it is the winnings I received, although I didn't really try to enter because I wanted someone else to receive the stuff. The winnings I received for his 300 subscriber giveaway. So let's check this out. See how I'm gonna get into this. Down in there. Let's see. Nice paper. I can use that. Something else in there too. Now let's see. That's that little chunk of wrought iron. I can see the grain in it. Here, check this out. Wrought iron. That's cool. That's about 1.5 inches by 2. Looks like about a good 1/2 inch thick. Something like that. I'm gonna make something cool out of that. Thanks, Mr. Bill. Let's see what else we got in here. Now, I watched his 300 subscriber giveaway, so I know what this stuff is, but maybe you don't, so let's see what we got. I hate to ruin my paper. I'm going to use that to light the fire with. Ooh. Paper's a little stuck to it. That's alright. Let's get this off here. Oh, what a nice little punch. Get that all off of there. That's been oil sealed real well. Paper off. I'll clean it up later. There it is. I like that little punch. I'm going to use that. Let's see what else we got. I believe this is going to be the chisel. Let's see. Oh yeah. I like the way that's made. Good flat edge. Nice and sharp. I like the bevel on it. Be good for chasing. Hot cutting. Now, let's get down to these here. Yeah, I know what these are. And I'm probably going to use them for everything except what they were made for. Pretty much everything I can grab with them. That's what I do with all my tongs. If it looks like it'll fit it, comes off the rack, that's what I use. Let's get these tongs out. Boy. I super glued this one on. Dang. Well, this is fun. It's probably just sealant leaked into the paper. But they didn't rust. They still look perfect. Oh, man. Get shit off there. Let me pause a minute while I get all this off. See you in a second. Alright, here they are. They look kind of specialized for grabbing flat stock, but I'm going to grab whatever. There's no bearing race. I like the springiness in the handles. Good tongues. I'll take them. Anyway, hey, thanks Mr. Bill for all the cool stuff, and I'm hanging with you, watching as many of your videos as I can make time to watch. I've missed a lot of people's videos here lately. I've been working very hard. Check out William Barnhart Blacksmith on YouTube, and subscribe to his channel. Check him out, and he does a lot of cool stuff. Check out these tongs. Look, let's give him a flyover. Alright. Here's a punch. As far as packing methods, I would suggest something that would not stick quite so badly to the oil finish, but nothing rusted. Everything was protected and delivered intact. So, I'm really thrilled with this stuff, and I'm going to do something interesting in the near future with this piece of wrought iron. And check out WB Blacksmithing, William Barnhart Blacksmith on YouTube, and show him some love. Well, that's all I got for this evening. And thank you, Mr. Bill. I love this stuff, and I will put it to use, and I will abuse the tools that you made. Till next time, bye.